How to enable haptics and vibration in silent mode on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open settings, scroll down, go to sound and vibration option. Then under this, you need to tap on sound mode and choose silent mode. After that, you need to enable vibration in silent mode. So turn on the button for vibrate on ring. If you have got the option for vibrate on silent, you can turn on the button. This setting enables haptic feedback and vibration even when your phone is on silent mode. Also, to further customize the haptic feedback, on the sound and vibration, you need to scroll down. Now look for Haptics and Tones, and here you can easily turn on the button for system haptic and more sounds such as dial pad tone, lock screen sound, screenshot sound, deletion sound, and touch sounds. So here you can easily find out vibration and haptics depending upon your Android phone, and you can adjust the vibration intensity for calls, notification, and touch feedback. Now you can test it out by switching your phone to silent and tapping around the feel the haptic feedback. And now your Android should now vibrate on silent mode. And that's it. That's how you can easily enable haptics and vibration in silent mode on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.